welcome back to design number 4 on my summer stamper stack. My name is Julie Sutcliffe and I am a Stampin' Up demonstrator in the UK and I'm the Paper Haven. So welcome to my channel. This was the first card that I designed. I saw someone had you don't really need to do anything with this card because the papers are just wonderful, but I saw someone had embossed this paper and this gave me the whole idea for the class to use the embossing folder. So these are a really quick make but really effective. Now because I think it's a bit boring watching me cut these friends stamps out, I've already cut those out and look at me, I've had a little tidy up and I've got everything ready. Now we are going to cut our papers down and you want to cut them to 10 wide by 14.3. Probably going to cut them both at the same time actually. Now I wanted more pinky purple colours on, so I'm going to cut them at 10. Okay, by 14.3. Now I probably will do these separately. Now what you might want to do, I'm a bit about wanting it to be central. I want these pieces to be the same. So if we take this down to 14.3, we're cutting, it actually measures 15.2, okay? So we're taking 0.9 off. So you probably want to take 0.5 or 0.4 off from one side. Yep, just to make it equal. And then 0.5 off from the other. Just take it down to 14.3. Just to make it equal, yeah. And it's just super, super simple. And you've got these two pieces left over, which you can use on another card. There's lots of leftovers on this class. Okay, so the first one, quickest card ever. Let's let the papers do all the work. So that is simply going to be glued on there. Okay. So all I've done then is I've used, oh, I've not told you, you need one small white circle, one large white and a peekaboo peach. Peekaboo peach? Peach pie. Peekaboo peach was an old colour. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp the happy birthday in the berry burst. Quite near the top. I've done it in the basic grey on my original design. Oh, look. Oh, I thought that was a... And then I'm going to find some foam pads. And just pop that there. Just with the rack of your eye, you can just eyeball. If you want to get a ruler, you can, to see if you've got it in the middle. Just over 4. And that's about 4. So we'll leave that, she says. I don't think it's straight. And then grab one of the friends that we've stamped and cut out. Now that's going to go on there like that. Now what you might want to do is pop a foam pad here, because look, this is hanging off the bottom there, and you might want to pop one here, but I would use the edges because it's a little bit too, that's just going to give some security there. And you might want to do a thin strip. I'm going to cut a little strip here, look, from the edge of my foam pads. I'm just going to pop that there, just to secure that. And then put glue on the rest, because the rest can stick to the circle. I was a good girl and put my lid back on my glue. Okay, dead simple, easy card. It's a 5-minute job, okay? The next one, what we'll do is we'll stamp, oh, I'm throwing my stamps around. We'll stamp the happy birthday on the small white piece. Yeah, stamp that up there. And then what we'll do is we'll glue that to the peach pie piece, all the peas. And we'll just pop that to one side. Now all we're going to do for this second version, I just love this. It got so much love on my social media, did that card. We're basically going to pop this through the embossing folder. Now, what you want to do is, I wanted to get the circle. So I wanted that white, I'm going to put it in and get it in the right place and then show you. That's almost right. Yeah, that's going to do. I wanted that circle there, the white circle that's on the papers, to be in the centre of the embossing folder. Just dropped my plates. So I'm gripping this, and I've just knocked my... I'm gripping this tight because I've got it in the right place. So I'm trying to do this. There we go. It's in the right place. Pop this one on top. It just looks so effective, does this? There we go. How joyous is that? I just love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay, so we're going to glue that on. Look at that. I just love it. And then I'm going to pop this on with some dimensionals again. I want that to be in the centre. So you can actually use the circles, the embossed parts, as a guide. Okay, now there's going to be more of this there, probably hanging off there. So we need a foam pad on the bottom of the F, and we need a little bit on the, oops, that's going to be useful, here on the D, and I've got a little bit left over. There we go. There is card, well, design number 4. And I told Craig that I'd be 10 minutes filming this, and it's just 10 minutes now. So how good is that? So it should be about 1:45 now. So I'll do the last video at 1 p.m. I'll see you back then. Bye.